Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use iOS 18 game mode for better performance. iOS 18 game mode activates automatically when you open a compatible game, right? It boosts performance by reducing background tasks to sustain high frame rates. It lowers latency for wireless accessories, right? So because this feature is strictly for performance and resource allocation, not a settings wide menu, you must control it while a game is actively running, right? Launch your favorite game, right? A game mode on banner will briefly pop up at the top of your screen. This one, the gaming. And if you miss the banner or want to check the status, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Of course, select your mode and enable the gaming mode, right? So yeah, toggle it on or off. Note that if you turn it off for a specific game, it will remain off for that title until you toggle it back on. Now, tips for better performance. Users share varying experiences in forum discussions about game mode's behavior. Right? If you use a Bluetooth controller, game mode doubles the polling rate, drastically decreasing input lag. If you own a compatible AirPods, such as the AirPods Pro 2, it significantly minimizes audio latency. And also, while it helps keep frame rates smooth and reduces overheating, if you experience any instability or game crashes, test toggling game mode off to see if your phone's performance stabilizes. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you.